Oh, it just dumped water everywhere. Everybody clear off the track. They got a truck coming through. So we just confirmed it's the same. Water's coming from the same spot it was before. So
it sucks.
Alright, I'm calling Brett.
We'll fix it. We'll fix it.
They're gonna be thrashing on this tonight. And that's the sound of the soul of an engine exiting the body.
That's Carl, bro. What did you expect? We fired him, they hired him, thought it was a good idea, and clearly it backfired in their face. So they thought they were doing a little sneak, hiring him on the low, and didn't really work out, did it? She got about 60 foot out. It was on a mission until that Carl sauce came in.
We left the dyno thinking we were gonna come out here and kick everybody's ass, and all we did was make a mess.
KP tuning for the win, boys.
If we can't put something together overnight, then I don't know.